Hey there everyone, we are here again at the Houston Micro Center in Texas, and wow, it is freaking hot out here. I can't even open my eyes, it's so bright. I'm not even sure if I'm in focus or if I'm bright or dark. It is what it is. Now I imagine when most of you shop at a Micro Center, you're looking for individual parts, right? CPUs, maybe RAM, maybe CPU motherboard combos. They have some great deals you should check out if you live near a local Micro Center, or you can shop online. However, I don't hear too much about their pre-builds, and that's what I want to find out in this video. Essentially, I want to answer the obvious question: are they any good? Are they worth your hard-earned? Are you ready? Stay with me.
To get rid of that annoying Windows activation watermark, head on over to VIP SCD Key. Purchase a Windows 10 Pro OEM key for a fraction of the price of retail. Just use a secure payment method like PayPal, enter your product key into your PC settings window, and say bye-bye to the watermark. And be sure to use our offer code SKGS for a sweet discount.
Let's start out with some open box deals. So they've got this entire row of open box pre-built PCs, and they range in price anywhere from like $600 up to like $1,900, $2,000 and above. So there's a lot to look through here. We're gonna look at the prices as well as the specs of each build. So firstly, if you were worried at all about quality control, you can see each of these has a sticker, a label, or most of them at least. And you can see they've all been checked to make sure that data's been wiped. Do they come with a keyboard? Do they come with Wi-Fi antenna, power cord? Things you might overlook when generally shopping. So let's see, this one right here is only $675, and it comes with a 12700K, 16 gigs of RAM, and a 1 terabyte NVMe, I'm assuming. You're wondering why it's so cheap. Well, it's because it doesn't come with a discrete graphics card. It's gonna be a bit difficult to see in here, but it comes with a tower cooler, 2 DDR4 sticks, maybe DDR5, it depends on the platform. But they're giving you a choice basically to buy this unit and then bring it all the way back to the build your own PC section. Can you see it way back there? That's where we've been filming most of our Micro Center videos as of late. So you swing your rig back there, you buy yourself a discrete graphics card, pop it in, and then you've got a fully working gaming PC that you can find at a pretty decent price if you're willing to buy open box. Now this one's a thick daddy, almost $2,200, and this is open box, so even more expensive brand new. However, it's got a 1300KF in it, 32 gigs of RAM, 2 terabytes of storage, and a 4070 Ti. Again, gonna be a bit difficult to see in there, but that is a big chungus graphics card. They've even got some OEMs here. If you're looking for something under $500, open box here, you can get yourself a 5600G rig with 8 gigs of RAM, a 512 gig SSD, and in a nice, sweet, compact package. And if you're a fan of AMD, you can get a 7900X in here, 32 gigs of RAM, and again, a 4070 Ti for just under $2,000. Now, if I'm being completely honest, a lot of those prices aren't super competitive. I could build most of those rigs for cheaper than they have them listed. But again, the value add of it being a pre-built, it's already assembled for you, it likely already has Windows 10 or 11 installed, it likely comes with some peripheral of some sort, it might even come with a monitor, you just gotta check. Now this one here is the granddaddy of them all, a 13900KF. This has Windows 11 Pro on it, 64 gigs of DDR5, 2 terabytes of NVMe storage, an RTX 4090. I mean, all in all, a heck of a rig. $4,000 though. I mean, that's a bit pricey. And it looks like this. Now I asked them why on earth they decided to route cables this way, and they said it was because it looked funny having everything routed below in the basement where there's a cutout. But yeah, this is among the most expensive pre-built gaming rigs that are built by Micro Center in-house. This is the Power Spec brand, by the way. So if you see Power Spec, that's Micro Center's in-house pre-built brand. Boy, oh boy, do I enjoy a white rig. Look at that. Hey, what's this? This is a pretty sweet Logitech controller here. You want it, Josh?
I'm good.
You know, I have like the sudden urge to go scuba diving. Hey, would you look at here? A bunch of workstation stuff. This, whoa. What is that? $5,800. Can we see this?
Absolutely.
Can we see the inside of this? This is a super micro workstation.
I can't get my fingers in there.
It's got like a padlock. You have to like enter like an 8-digit combination to get in. Oh, no, it's a button,
Oh, is it?
You work here, right?
Partially. There we go.
Oh.
It's all covered.
Okay, lovely. This is not what I expected. Is this like some sort of functional heatsink? Oh, it's just a cover. It's just a plastic cover. Wow. Yeah, so there would be a Quadro card there.
Yeah, you can kind of see the art.
Sort of, kind of. Oh yeah, there you go. So there's one. Of course, these are scalable, so you can add multiples, depending if you wanted like machine learning stuff, like crazy compiling scenarios. Not the beefiest heatsink, but a lot of the Xeons don't really need them. And I think it's, what, 128 gigs of DDR5?
Sure.
Yeah, that's a metric crap ton right there. And we have a lot of other like OEM builds from Asus, HP, and the like. This one's 729 with a Core i5 12400, And I believe integrated graphics on this one, just 8 gigs of DDR5 as well, maybe DDR4. This wouldn't be my first choice. Now, this is a cool little MATX rig, and we actually have 2 different SKUs here. So one is an i5 variant, 12400F, and it also comes with an RTX 3060. You see, for $850, that's a lot better deal in my book than that Asus FreeBuilt we just saw. And then this one has a 5600X in it. Again, an RTX 3060, has 16 gigs of DDR4. So does this one, but this one has slightly slower speeds at 2666. This is actually a pretty good price. I mean, it's not the end all be all best thing I've ever seen, but for a pre-built, that's not too shabby. Even get a little RGB action in there to spice things up a bit. Now, I really like this white one as well. We just looked at that one to the left. This one comes in at just under 800 bucks, $799, and it comes with a Core i5 13400F, so a generation above, and it has an A770 in it from Intel. You know, these cards have been a little iffy as of late. The driver issues are starting to be worked out. I think I'm interested now. The price is a little too competitive to ignore at this point, and especially with 40 series stuff being a little pricey still, maybe this makes the most sense for a pre-built. I think maybe we can like give it away to somebody. Find somebody looking at rigs or PC parts, and we'll just give them an entire pre-built. 800 bucks, why not? I really need like a driver's license for this. I don't know if anyone should trust me with this much hardware. This will be our last AR thing today, yep. And just so everyone's aware, this is actually from a Micro Center budget, from the Gear Up budget actually. So it's really Micro Center who's gonna be buying this, and we're actually gonna be giving it away as well. So yeah, we'll probably wait until tomorrow, and we'll come up with something creative, some unique way to pick somebody at random to give it to. So if you have any ideas, leave them in the comments. We totally won't see them in time, but at least you'll feel like you contributed in some way. Thinking maybe something along the lines of, what's your favorite PC game? That'll work, because that at least rules out folks that have no idea what it is, maybe won't appreciate what it is because they never game on a PC. But if someone has a PC game in mind, whether they already have a rig or not, maybe they can give it to a friend or something like that, a family member. I think that'll be pretty sweet, pretty cool way to end this video. And with that, we have stored the system in the back for tomorrow. We're actually filming the last day of the second season of Gear Up here tomorrow. And that is where we will give it away. So we will see you tomorrow. It's only gonna last like 3 seconds worth of transition for you guys. Here we go.
Day 2.
So here we are, the second day, and we've got the rig we purchased here unboxed. I'm trying to be quiet because I don't want to attract too much attention. What we're gonna do is write on this little piece of paper, what is your favorite PC game? Now, the answer has to be a PC game, doesn't matter how old or how new, but the first person to answer the question with a PC game is gonna win this. They're not winning. I'm being quiet because people are around us now. You know how awful it'd be if I misspelled one of these words and just put it on there? Yeah. It's a little messy, but I think it gets the point across. Alrighty, we've got the receipt as well. So we are good to go. Let's just start walking. This might be awkward in the end, but we'll risk it for the biscuit. I think we need to be strategic with the way we aim this since we put the sign on the front. So maybe try to address this head on with some individuals here. You know, Josh, we could be here all night. Are you prepared for this? Until, come on, until somebody says yes, come on. Come on. Another missed opportunity. I've always wanted a PlayStation controller, even though I don't actually have a PlayStation. Very colorful ones. Hey, look, I'm trying here, okay? I'm trying. I don't know who was into PCs or consoles. Maybe the PC thing threw that kid for a loop because he was looking at PlayStation controllers. I get it, I get it. You know, maybe it's my handwriting. Is it legible? Oh. Pretty good price on this one. And another missed opportunity. We're still walking, Isaiah. We are still walking. Oh, you know what you should do? I don't know if they would allow this, but if you have like an intercom system, you should say that. You should say something like, hey, there's like a guy walking around with
We
a
don't have.
Oh, you don't have it? Oh.
got walkies.
You guys aren't Walmart?
No.
That's cool. That's probably a good thing. Yeah, it's probably a good thing. Strike one, strike two, strike three. What are we gonna do, Josh? What are we gonna do? Let's see if maybe we don't concentrate our efforts around the build your own PC section. Someone's gotta answer, come on. Can you read that from there? So it's not that.
I don't know what it is.
Do I just look unapproachable? Is that what it? I need to do it shirtless.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it. I think we need to change our angle of attack here. We're gonna try the picket sign method. I'm literally gonna hold the thing up so it's apparent that I'm trying to get other people to answer. I think then, oh gosh, if this doesn't work, we'll just literally walk up to somebody and give it away. I thought this was clever, but maybe it's just not as obvious to some people as I thought it would be. This has to work. We're just gonna stand static like in front of BYOPC, and this has to work. Come on, come on. Okay, we've got some people possibly. Someone just broke something. I feel really odd holding a cardboard sign up. I never thought I'd be doing that.
I had my suspicions.
The second nature for me.
We're still gonna look around a little bit, but
All right, but yeah, so I will be right back over there for the 4060s. So let me know if you need any help.
Yeah, it's gone.
This will make for a very funny video.
my favorite PC game is old school RuneScape. I've been playing for 18 years, and I'm a hardcore Iron Man.
Thank you. Finally. This is yours.
What?
Take it home, please.
Serious?
Yes.
No way.
I'm just happy somebody finally answered the sign.
No.
Yes, this is yours.
You're
Yeah.
serious?
So literally, first
Holy
person to answer the
shit.
question wins the rig. This is I mean, it's like $850-ish, but
Hey, man,
it's a
that's
solid rig. You could definitely
awesome.
game on it, and yeah, it's from the pre-built section here at Micro Center, and
Dude,
we'll just
what?
walk out with it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Very much.
No, I appreciate it.
that.
Thank you for answering the sign. I was about to be like, like.
And I thought you were getting frustrated because people walking through the camera, and I was
No, I could see that. That we decided to hide the camera because like it was probably a little obvious that he was like holding it front and center. But this is yours. Feel free. Yeah, you can walk out with the boxes down there. You can put it back in there if you'd like. But
Definitely get it back in the box for a
yeah, it's all yours. I think it has Core i5 in it, and then a Intel Arc A770. So, I mean, it's a good, a good gaming rig for sure, especially for the price.
Dude, that's
So,
wild.
so yeah, let's get it loaded up for you. Yeah, I heard you mention RuneScape like back there, and I was like, just say the same thing right in front of me, please. Like, please, just say it right in front of me. That's all I want you to do. Other than that, though, you, sir, are ready
Do you have a channel or
to go.
something then?
Yes, I do have a YouTube channel.
Oh, what's
yeah,
your YouTube?
It's my name's Greg Salazar. That's the name of the channel. GREGSALAZAR, and I just do computer stuff. That's pretty much the gist of it.
Thank you very much.
The work?
sir. Thank
Awesome.
you.
No, I appreciate it. Hey, yeah, you guys are okay being on camera?
Oh, 100%.
Okay, cool. Yeah,
No
all right.
problem.
All right, awesome. Well, yeah, feel free.
Thank you so
Yes,
much.
thank you so much for thank you
It
for
was
us.
nice meeting you.
Thank you for answering the sign. You guys take care.
I'm gonna come here more often.
Awesome. Hey, you guys hear that? You guys hear that? Woo!
Build better and smarter with the Corsair iQ Link ecosystem, a leap forward in PC building aimed at reducing cable clutter and maximizing hardware compatibility. Run a single controller with the iQ System Hub and manage all of your RGB devices through revamped software. The hub fits almost anywhere in your case and allows for up to 7 connected devices in a single cable design spanning across fans, coolers, power supplies, cases, and more from Corsair. Click the link below to learn more.
So that took a bit longer than I expected, but I think it went to an awesome couple, and he said RuneScape. I mean, RuneScape, right? That's freaking cool, because I played that growing up, and I still occasionally play OSRS. Not ashamed, not ashamed. It's an awesome OG game. If you guys enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you have not already. If you live near a Micro Center and you haven't shopped in it yet, just swing by, consider a pre-built PC, or swing back to the Build Your Own PC section. Check out all the components they have. And if you live in or around Indianapolis, the new store just opened, and I hear there are 2 more on the way, one in North Carolina, and also one in Miami, which is close to home. Finally, a Micro Center in Florida. With that, we're getting out of here. My name's Greg. Thanks for learning with me.